The CDC has a family emergency preparedness kit list. Say that 3 times fast. A family emergency preparedness kit list. Woo! I don't have what I need to be comfortable as a minimalist right now. In an effort to have less, I've ended up with not enough in case of emergency. And so that's what I want to correct today and why I'm doing this special video from my car. I am reacting to my lack of preparedness. I'm not ready for any kind of emergency situation. I know where the flashlight is. I haven't tested the batteries or changed the batteries in a while, so that's probably a really good thing to do. I don't have a go bag with my daughter's medications, my medications. I don't have a go bag with extra clothes and waters and flashlights and batteries and all that good stuff that you might need if you have to flee your house in case of an emergency. I buy for the week what we need. I don't have a pantry stockpile at all. Or if a virus hits your house and you can't head out for a while, what do you have at home to take care of your family and to feed your family? And coronavirus is front news right now, but man, influenza B cannot be overlooked right now. Typically, you see influenza B at the end of a viral season, and it's huge this year. CDC reported 16,000 to 41,000 deaths related to influenza just this year since October. Okay, we still got a few months to go in viral season. I want to go in a bunker for viral season. I do. I've been emailing with one of my subscribers. Hi, Gloria. She has actually been stockpiling some foods and trying to find a level of comfort for herself and for her family where she has enough emergency preparedness pieces of a kit where she feels good about it, where she doesn't feel like she has too much. And she suggested to me, you know, maybe there's a video content in here that is going to help people how to be a minimalist, but still be prepared for an emergency. This is front of mind for me. The announcement from the CDC that the coronavirus will inevitably hit the United States just raises the questions for me. Can I care for my family if we have to shelter at home, as the CDC states? Do I have a kit? Do I have everything I need? I do not. At all. You know, on this channel, I talk about me a lot. I want to talk about you. I want to know if you are ready for an emergency. If you had to flee your house right now, do you have everything you need for your children? Do you have every necessary medication? Do you have everything for your pet? Do you have flashlight with batteries? Do you have bottled water? Do you have non-perishable food? Do you have warm blankets? Do you have change of clothes? If you have infants, do you have extra diapers? Anyway, the point of this video is to ensure that you have an emergency preparedness kit. If you already do, kudos, awesome. Thanks for watching.